Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting, and today video title guys how to on power button to end call setting. Friends, you want to use power button to end call settings. So friends, how to turn on power button to end call in this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo mobile. So friends, on your oppo mobile, click here additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can see this type interface on your mobile. So friends, click here accessibility setting, and friends you want to on talk back, select to speak, magnification shortcut, color correction, current version setting, high content tags you can on, and you can offer high content tags. Mono audio fans, you want to use mono audio setting on device, so you can on mono audio. Right and left side fans, you can change your audio balance, right side increase and left side decrease. Switch access setting fans, you want to use, so you can on and you can use it. Fans, you can see here press power button to end calls. Fans, you want to cut call with power button, so I press power button and you can cut call. And friends, you don't want to use press power button to end call setting, you can turn off from here. After offense, you cannot cut call, press power button. And friends, you can find your power button call setting with shortcut setting. Direct friends, click here search option, press setting, PRESS, press power button to end call setting. Direct friends, you can on from here and you can off from here your power button to end call settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use power button to end call setting, how to on and how to turn off. So bye friends.